So as you guys can see, I think that's a single bed, a double bed, I don't know. I just woke up, rolled out of bed. I was like, why not just film this? It's gonna be before and after anyway. There's a comforter. I found this comforter in the room, washed it, I'm using it. It's not bad. And my clothes, literally guys, I go into work, I come back and I stack them up here. This heater fan, I found this when I came in, it was here. So that right there, the red one is my hair straightener, but the blue one and the black one was left here by the previous owner.
Все должно идти так, как должно идти. Ни у кого из нас нет обратного пути. Иди вперед и не оглядывай по сторонам. Прохавай все сам, с братом напополам. Не все так быстро получаем, как нам хочется. Не варик продавать за бабки свое творчество. Ведь это часть души, стихи в тетрадь пиши. Пой и живи, только дыши.
That looks like it's been there for years. Heyo. Okay, so far this is what I have right here. Oh, damn. Oh, that's brilliant. Rhea, I think I'm gonna move the bed. But wait, so, because, hold on, because if I move the bed, right, and it comes this way, then I'm gonna have this space, but then the dress is gonna be here, so then it's gonna be kind of tight. But, wow, I didn't even think about that dresser. Hold on. Make a bed skirt out of the length that we have because the sheets are hitting the floor. I'm just gonna tuck it under, creating a bed skirt. So you guys have seen the room. I am completely wiped out, completely exhausted. I've been doing this all day today, moving furniture by myself. And so I don't know where the party's gonna continue, but it sure isn't here. So get out of here. See you tomorrow.